Hello world! So we've been talking about organizational design and how different abilities in information processing dictate what level in an organization a person and a task should be located. It has to be correlated with the information processing that's required at that level in order to function effectively. And so if you're hiring someone, if you're assigning a task, if you're retaining a consultant, then you need to be able to match the person with the task. This becomes increasingly important as you rise in the levels because the level of capability is not something that can be trained. You can help someone rise to the maximum that they're capable of functioning at a given point in time, but you can't change their ceiling. That is fixed at any given time, and it progresses in certain ways throughout a person's career. We've started with level 1, the frontline workers, and built our way up through level 4, which is the general manager, who usually has profit and loss accountability, but isn't necessarily spending their time working on the balance sheet, driving the long-term value of the organization. That's where level 5 comes in. There are additional levels, level 5, 6, and 7, that function very, very frequently and visibly within the world of work. And when we get to level 5, we're crossing a really important frontier between the verbal-symbolic world and the conceptual abstract world. So I'm going to try to lay out for you what that shift looks like and what it's like to function and to perform tasks at level 5 and above level 5. So this is a really important frontier because we move from working within the organization and within things that we can sort of plan out sequentially on a Gantt chart to things that become much more squishy and much more abstract. When you go to this level, you'll find that even more than other level shifts, there's a sense that this person is working on a different level. Sometimes people will make comments like they seem to be playing three-dimensional chess while the rest of us are playing checkers. Or they might say they have their head in the clouds. But when someone moves to level 5, they're pretty obviously now big idea people.